Hey guys, it's Nate with Skid Steer Solutions, and today we have the Cardinal canvas cabin closure. This is going to be going on our Bobcat S150. We're going to go ahead and take this out of the package, show you guys how it comes, and then go ahead and throw it on there. So this is going to be how it looks once you take it out of the box. We're going to have a little pouch here that's going to have all your accessories and hardware you need, bolts, hinges, things like that. You have instructions as well. The main things you're going to need is a ratchet and a socket. One of the most important things to do prior to getting this is actually give your machine a good wash over, a good clean. That way you're going to be able to make sure this tape sticks really well to the actual cab of the machine. But I'll go ahead and start throwing it on and show you guys how it goes on. Now once you kind of get it to where you feel like it's good, you're going to want to make sure that all your openings are going to be able to be covered. So there's going to be your Velcro right here, and then underneath here is going to be your tape side. So once we peel that back. So all I like to do here is just make sure when you lay that down and get it snug, and just mark your corners. So just mark where you're going to be going to with that tape. And then just mark the front. That's just to give you an idea where you're going to be laying it. So once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and peel off your Velcro here. Give that a good press down. Alright, so sometimes on this, if you want to get better access, you can lift your arms up here. I'm going to do it without lifting my arms up because we're just doing a pretty quick little video. I'm just going to go ahead and give everything a good little tug here. We can just go ahead and actually press the cab in. We just want to make sure we're not pressing it up against any of the arm or anything like that. Make sure all your bungees here are clear. And pull it nice and taut. And lay it there. Alright guys, so now you can go ahead and throw these on. There's going to be some different areas people put these to. I have a lot of people who end up putting them right towards the actual framing here, the diamond framing. Sometimes you can poke through the plastic. Again, it's up to kind of you. There are also going to be actually usually bolt holes or kind of latch holes on the inside of the frame. I usually recommend going to those. It's going to be a little easier to get through. Just like that. So you can kind of see where that one went down in. It's right down here. So that's going to keep you nice and tight. There. So here's going to be your hardware, guys. So these are going to just actually fit on your usually pre-drilled door hinge holes on the side of your frame. Come with all your bolts and everything. So we're going to go ahead and put these in, and then we'll go ahead and slide the door and show you guys how it looks all finished up. So now that those are hand tight, you can kind of still adjust them a little bit. We're going to grab our door. A little bit of finesse, a little jiggling back and forth. And usually slide it in pretty straightforward there. And then you can kind of see, maybe we want to go over a little farther here. So now you can see the door slides into the hinges here. Now we're going to go ahead and go tighten these down. That's going to give us a nice solid connection. Alright guys, thanks again for watching that video. We have a lot of different cabin closure options for a wide range of machines on skidsteersolutions.com, so feel free to come check us out. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a ring. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, you can follow us on social media or like and subscribe this video for more just like it.